Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the UPS and battery match in voltage and chemistry because mismatches cause failure. Power down the mains and isolate loads. Safety first, so use insulated gloves and goggles. Remove any terminal covers, then once positioned, connect the battery negative to the UPS negative terminal, tighten but do not over-torque. Make sure polarity is correct. A reversed hookup can damage electronics instantly. Use a torque spec if provided, and keep connections clean and corrosion-free. Once the negative is secure, connect the battery positive to the UPS positive terminal using the specified cable gauge. Undersized wire overheats. Route the cable clear of sharp edges and moving parts. Clamp it to prevent strain. Install an inline fuse or breaker at the battery positive, located within the first 100 mm of the terminal, so you protect against short circuits. Tighten the positive terminal to spec and double-check polarity and fuse rating, because protection prevents catastrophic failures and fire. You can now reapply mains power and turn on the UPS. Watch LEDs and listen for startup chirps. These confirm basic health. Run the UPS self-test and monitor battery voltage and charge current. Make sure charge rate matches manufacturer specs. If the UPS shows a fault or there's no output, immediately power down, isolate the battery, and recheck polarity, terminal tightness, fuse integrity, and cable routing. A key troubleshooting tip. A persistent fault often indicates a blown inline fuse or reversed connection.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.